Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect RevenueCat to the Google Play Store. First, open the Google Cloud Console. Make sure you have the correct project selected. Once inside your project, go to the API library and enable two APIs. These are the Google Play Android Developer API and the Google Play Developer Reporting API. This step allows RevenueCat to communicate with your app data. Next, go to I am an admin, then select Service Accounts. Create a new service account. Give it a name that you can easily recognize. After creating it, open the account and go to the Keys section. Create a new key and choose JSON format. This will download a file to your computer. Keep this file safe because you will need it soon. Now switch to the Google Play console. Select your app. Go to Users and Permissions, then click Invite New Users. Enter the email address of the service account you just created. Under Account Permissions, grant access such as viewing app information and managing in-app purchases. Save your changes. After that, open the RevenueCat dashboard. Select your app. Then go to Project Settings and open Google Play App Settings. Upload the JSON file you downloaded earlier. Finally, set up real-time notifications. Go back to Google Cloud Console and enable the PubSub API. In RevenueCat, copy the PubSub topic ID. Then return to Google Play Console, open Monetization Setup, and paste the topic ID into the Real-Time Developer Notification section. This completes the setup. Thanks for watching.